How to start your own marketing agency and make $10,000 off your first client in less than 60 days. Yes, I said 60 days. It can happen in even less time for you. Here's proof of James and Ashlyn doing it inside just 60 days.
We got a sale yesterday.
You did?
Yeah. Yeah.
What?
10 grand.
Dude.
Yeah.
Dude, there you go. What up guys, Ben Oberg here back with another video. You just heard from James and Ashlyn. They surprised me. They're like, look, we just closed our first client for $10,000. Here's what's really cool is this type of business is low overhead for you to be able to start up, and it's an essential service. A lot of businesses out there are really suffering right now, and if you can be the one to help them create digital profits, you're gonna be able to start a very profitable marketing agency. So let's get straight into how to do it, the type of services that you want to deliver, what type of clients to work with, what type of clients to not work with, because there's a lot of clients that can be a pain in the dingus. If dingus is a body part, it would be a butt, okay? And there's a lot of clients that are fun to work with. So you want to be able to get to $100,000 a year off of just 3 clients, not 8, not 10, not 20. You want low overhead costs and you want high profit margins, okay? If you're brand new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, because if you are trying to learn about digital marketing, starting your own digital profit agency, and you want a risk-free, essential service-based online business that's high cash flow, that allows you to travel, go on motorcycle trips for 3.5, 4 weeks, just like I did, work 2 hours a day and be able to make multiple 6 figures or even 7 figures plus per year. That's the industry that we're in. That's what we do every day, and I know it's going to work for you. So make sure you subscribe, smash that like button, and let's get straight into it. So all we do is we set up production systems. So take a look at this, for example. We set up production systems for businesses out there so they can create more digital profits through a marketing agency, okay? So take service-based businesses, online businesses, software-based businesses, brick and mortar businesses that want more people coming into their stores, e-commerce businesses, people selling digital, physical products, okay? The whole point is businesses want to make more money. They don't care about SMMA, they don't care about followers, they care about money, okay? What's keeping businesses in business right now? Money. What's allowing businesses to scale right now? Money, okay? So if you can be the one, can we play the Cardi B song? Money, okay? You want to be that one that's getting paid to help them produce money with your marketing agency. So check this out. We set up client acquisition systems like this. So here's Aaron and Sarit. They're our clients. By the way, Aaron and Sarit have made over $200,000 with this sales funnel at 3x profit margins. In other words, they've got $60,000, $70,000 into promoting this. They've made $200,000 back. That is a huge increase moving the needle in their business. So what I'm going to teach you to do in this video is how to set that up, the type of services to deliver, how to get clients, everything. So don't go anywhere. What we do is we set up sales funnels, we run Facebook ads, we do email marketing. That's all. Sales funnels, Facebook ads, email marketing. Those are the only 3 services we offer to our clients. And how this works is clients pay us up front, a nice fat fee, 5 grand, 10 grand, all the way up to $30,000. Look at all these wires coming into my bank account, okay? I'm doing this. Look at James and Ashlyn, close a $10,000 deal. Look at Abby, closes a deal for $5,500, plus creating recurring income. Look at Levi here, landing a client for $5,000 up front, okay? This is tried and true. This already works, okay? So what we do is we get paid up front for creating the sales funnel. All right, and then we charge a monthly management fee for continued email marketing to help them attract more clients, continued Facebook ads management, etc. So these margins are huge. We get paid up front. Your first client, you're in profit, and then you create recurring income, which creates scalability and sustainability and long-term growth in your business, okay? This is what we call a DPA, a digital profit agency. It's a type of marketing agency that focuses solely on creating digital profits for its clients, okay? And so we take on clients like Aaron and Sarit who have digital products, all right? And they want to be able to blow them up more. So we created this funnel for them where you can opt in for this 7-day weight loss challenge. You put your stuff in, and then it goes through an upsell process. So it starts with a free offer, and then it goes to a video upsell, and then you get upsold. You have an opportunity to buy the next product, and it goes on and on and on. Free, 37, 47, 97, etc. Okay? Now there's different types of sales funnels for different types of clients. They don't all look the same, obviously, but the point is to be able to find clients like Aaron and Sarit who see the value in paying you upfront like that, so you can have an 85 to 90% profit margin and keep most of that money in your pocket, all right? Have a minimal amount of expenses and recurring or ongoing costs, and then they're going to pay you each month for managing, running their ads, optimizing, doing their email marketing, etc. Okay? So at the end of the day, you go after clients that are willing and able to pay you anywhere from $5,000 to $15,000 up front. So you can do the math. Let's say that you get paid just I don't know, $7,000 per client up front. Okay, that's $21,000. And then on the monthly management side, all of these clients pay a minimum of $2,000 a month, usually $3,000 to $4,000. But let's say you just get paid $2,000 a month for 3 clients. Okay, so you take 2 times 3, that is $6,000, times 12, that is $72,000. Okay. Then you have all the upfront charges. $7,000 times 3 clients is $21,000. That's $93,000 of income, okay? It's a 6-figure business off of just 3 clients that can be managed remotely regardless of where you live in the world on a minimal amount of time. High profit margins, low operating costs, and it's an essential service that businesses from an array of different industries need right now more than ever, okay? If I'm making sense, 2 things for you to do right now. Smash that like button and comment "Makes sense, Ben" right now in the comments, okay? I'm actually gonna pick one winner here that comments "Makes sense, Ben," all right, for a free special gift that's gonna help you to be able to go out and get clients, okay? So next, moving on. How the heck do you get clients? Where are these people, okay? Well, there's 2 different ways to getting clients, all right? You can run ads to attract clients that would be able to pay you for delivering services like this, or you can use social media, okay? I like to do both. So what I do is I go out on Facebook, I go out on TikTok, I go out on Instagram, and I find businesses, I strike up conversations, I get the ball rolling, I find some common ground, I invite them to get on the phone with me, I close them on one call, all right? And then I start delivering the service and working with them, okay? One of the best ways is to network on Facebook. And how you do that is you go into Facebook groups, for example, okay, where business owners hang out. Realtors, accountants, tax planners, CPAs, doctors, brain surgeons, plastic surgeons, chiropractors, whatever, okay? And you start adding them as friends. You post value about getting leads, about getting sales and things like that on your Facebook, okay? It attracts them. You start conversations with them, turn them into deals, okay? And ideally what you want to do is you get one deal organically through social media and you reserve, let's say it's $5,000. Reserve $1,000 of that. You can pay yourself the $4,000, but reserve $1,000 of that to be able to actually go in and start advertising to get more clients, okay? So that's what I did to be able to get started. That's what Levi did to be able to get started. That's what Abby did to get started. That's what Erica did to land this $10,000 deal plus $2,500 a month. It works, okay? You don't need to reinvent the wheel. Starting a marketing agency this way is essential. It works. It's long-term. It's sustainable. It's high cash flow, and it has less parameters than e-commerce and drop shipping and Amazon FBA. It just works, okay? So those are the ways to get clients. Now, how do you really scale this up? When you get your first client or 2, you reserve a portion of that and then you learn the advertising side. So we start actually running ads out there to prospective clients that are business owners. We talk about this awesome thing to be able to set up production systems, help them create more digital profits. We invite them to get on the phone with us. They get on the phone with us. We close deals. That is why we're able to close deals like this week after week after week. You can see all these wires coming in my bank account. And I don't even know if there's one in there that's just $5,000. It's usually like $7,500, $12,000, $15,000, $20,000 up front, plus $2,500 a month. This business generates us hundreds of thousands of dollars per month, and that might be a big number to swallow for you. The reality is it'd be game-changing, it'd be life-changing for so many people if they just got 1 client per month. $5,000 up front, $8,000, $10,000, whatever the case may be, okay? Now, this is a YouTube video that's currently, 8 minutes long so far. And I have a bunch more that I want to be able to teach you so you can immediately implement this. There's a link in my description. It's going to take you over to our digital profit agency training. Now this training is free, okay? It's going to be a little bit longer than 8 minutes. You're going to want to show up with a pen and a piece of paper, but you're going to learn the exact process to finding clients, closing clients, delivering on the service, how to go back and use the compound effect to get repeat clients, create referral clients, and have a high cash flowing, high profit margin digital profit agency, okay? So if you want to start a profitable marketing agency this year that cash flows, sustainable, is long-term, they can get you paid now. Click the link that's in my description. Make sure to register for that training so you can learn everything that you need to know to be able to immediately go out and implement this for yourself. What I want to know in the comments is your questions as far as starting your own marketing agency, starting your own digital profit agency. Let me know in the comments. I reply to every single one of them, and make sure to click the link, register for that training, and I'll see you on there. See you guys in the next video, and see you on the digital profit agency training.